How can we change one type of scale to another? In Unit 1.2, we learnt about 3 types of scales. They are linear scale, representative fraction, RF, and statement scale. First of all, we try to change the linear scale to a statement scale. This is a linear scale. We can put a ruler under the linear scale, then find out the actual length as shown by 1 centimetre. 1 centimetre represents 100 metres. Then we write down the scale in the statement scale. The answer is 1 centimetre to 100 metres. Secondly, we try to change a representative fraction to a statement scale. For example, 1 to 10,000 means 1 centimetre is equal to 10,000 centimetres. Do remember to add the same unit on both sides. So, 10,000 centimetres is equal to 100 metres. If we want to represent it as a statement scale, it is 1 centimetre to 100 metres. Thirdly, change the statement scale to a representative fraction. To use the earlier example, this means 1 centimetre to 10,000 centimetres. Then, delete the units on both sides. It is the representative fraction of 1 to 10,000.